What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach and Chase. We are out here in Colorado and we're going to be unboxing the brand new URC touch panel, the TDC-8300. We can't wait to show this puppy off after the intro. Let's go! All right, guys, so we got a special treat for you. We got Ron, the marketing director from URC here, as well as Adam, our territory manager up here in Colorado. And oh my gosh, it's a little bit smaller, a little lighter like the other model, the 1120 we just checked out.
It goes perfectly.
Ooh, I love that gold trim. Wow. All right, guys, so we're going to show you up close and personal on this bad boy in just a moment. If you aren't familiar with Dreamedia, we're here operating in the Colorado Rocky Mountain region as full home smart home integrators. Every single piece of technology that you need for your home, whether it's shades, lighting, AV, security, CCTV, Wi-Fi, we have you covered top to bottom from new construction to remodels, in addition to, of course, we're your online go-to store for home theater equipment. All right, Chase, let's check this puppy out. I'm gonna bring the camera over and actually pass the mic over to Adam, our territory manager, and I wanna hear all about it. Let's go.
So obviously we have our new products here, TDC-8300, TRC-1120, new products we're displaying this year at CEDIA. Very cool. Hitting many changes that a lot of our dealers have been looking for a while. Just a really clean, really just a sexy form factor remote that looks like it came out of some real research and development from our team. Designs of homes, the way that some of our higher end clientele pieces that they're looking for, nice gold trim, really cool. Both take advantage of all the latest and greatest voice features that are offered by URC, and that includes everything from Xfinity, Apple TV, Ring. That's one of our newest models that's very cool, where you can actually have someone come up to your door, ring the doorbell, and you can talk back with them through the remote. I love it. I always tell my delivery guys to not ring the doorbell so my dogs don't go crazy, and it's been a godsend. I love it. The 8300, big fan, new display, nice bright picture, excess just bulk and hardware of what the previous models could be. Significantly faster than the 7 series that this is kind of replacing in that similar form factor. A little bit larger screen, better display, and we're very excited to bring some new products out. The remote, obviously, so many great things to say. You know, we've been looking for a remote that just, hand feel is a very important thing with URC. A lot of places have remotes, a lot of great brands out there. We've been building them longer than anyone else. And hand feel is a very important thing, because when you can hold it in your hand, be in a theater, control what you need to without looking at a screen, being able to find those buttons is really important. Some remotes on the market, you don't know what's up, you don't know what's down until you light it up and look at it. And in a theater, sometimes you're torching your eyes depending on how dark that room is. So being able to make the controls and find what you're looking for, this is gonna be a great product. We had our pre-orders about a month ago, and we completely blew through that entire allocation. And now we're looking to get another shipment in just to keep orders going, because there's a lot of excitement about this remote.
So Zach and I went over this when we first got this remote, but Adam brought up a great point here. This remote just falls right to where it should be in your hands. Without looking at it, I pick it up. You either fall in at the top for power, or you fall in right at the bottom for your main controls, and your thumb just falls right into the main pad of the controller for easy access. Specifically with this touchpad, this is the first time I've seen it.
Yeah.
My favorite feature right off the bat is this tactile voice button. So if you're sitting there, you're on your Apple TV, you're on your Xfinity cable box already, you don't have to look at the touchscreen to find the mic button anymore.
Yeah.
You can just grab the bottom here, throw in your command, watch NBC, watch Netflix, and you're good to go. Check out this pitch they added here, where the touchscreen supports itself without a dock. I think that's really helpful. Most of the other brands that I've seen for control platforms, when you take them off the dock, it's just an iPad laying flat on the ground. This keeps it to where if it's on a coffee table in front of you or maybe on your lap, you have a good viewing angle of the touchscreen, but it's not, you're not having to pick it up and take your eyes really away from the content.
One thing I want to highlight too about the microphones that I have so many conversations about is the respect of privacy. We do a lot with Alexa. There's a lot of people that love that technology. There's a lot of people that hate it. And the ones that hate it are the ones that don't feel like they have enough control of when they're being listened to.
Yeah, you don't want to talk about something in your house, get ads 5 minutes for it.
And one of the most popular conversations I've had with these products with the hard microphone is they get to choose when that device is listening to Alexa commands.
That's awesome.
So for people that have been on the fence about getting into voice control and all these new capabilities with these services, they haven't done it because your home is basically either an open mic or you don't have it at all. And this gives people the way to experience what Alexa can do, not just integrating with URC, but integrating so many more things around your house through a URC device that URC isn't technically programmed to control. I can start my coffee in my kitchen through its Alexa integration using my 1480 that's in my living room. I can literally tell Alexa, make me coffee. And I'm doing it when I want to make that command. But it's not always listening like some other products that people don't want in their homes. So that's a really, it's a gateway piece to design a listening device that lets the end user have the control that, honestly, I think to a lot of people right now.
Yeah. Especially more people working from home forever. They're home with their families all the time.
Exactly.
That privacy is key.
Yeah.
All right, Dreamedia family, that is a wrap on our quick run through. Big thanks to Adam for giving us the lowdown on this gorgeous piece. I just can't tell you how impressed I am with the design kind of change. It's really elevated the look. It feels more high-end. I love the gold trim. It really fits my house well. You may not be able to leave with this. I'm just kidding. Because I'm definitely gonna have to get one of these bad boys in the house. Big upgrade, lighter, faster, stronger, gorgeous. Absolutely a fan. Guys, we have more URC content coming in upcoming videos in other customers' homes all around Colorado. I can't tell you how excited I am to deep dive into smart home integration. Chase is our regional sales manager. He's available to answer all of your questions, as well as integrate every piece of technology into your home, including home theater, which you know is our specialty here at Dreamedia. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative and helping you make a buying decision. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach and Chase from Dreamedia. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.